Good morning, Year 2. It's Monday again, and this week in maths we are looking at shapes, and today in particular we're going to be counting sides and vertices on 2D shapes. So your anchor today to get your brains warmed up says Annie is drawing 2D shapes, and she says, can I draw a 2D shape with two straight lines? So I want you to have a go, get your pencil and your paper and see if you can draw a 2D shape, remembering that a 2D shape is flat. Okay, so can you draw a 2D shape with just two straight lines? Have a go. Okay, now the answer is no, you can't draw a 2D shape with two lines. Okay, so well done for having a go though, and if you said no, then that's brilliant. So before we start, we need to know what is a side and what are vertices. So maybe talk to whoever you're with at the moment and see if you can tell them, and then we will discuss it together. So we know that sides are the side of a shape. So this is a side, this is a side, and this is a side. They're the lines that connect to make the shape. And then vertices are the points or the corners, okay, but they are called vertices where the sides meet. So here, here and here are your vertices. So this little picture shows us that. So here are the sides and the vertices are the points at which the sides meet. I want you to have a think about this. This shape has three vertices. No, this shape has three sides. Who is correct? Is the boy correct or is the girl correct? Does this shape have three vertices or three sides? I want you to pause the video and have a think about it, okay? And then when you unpause, I will let you know. Okay, they are both correct because if you remember, the sides are these bits here. So it's got 1, 2, 3 sides. So this person's correct. And then the boy said 3 vertices. Well, it's got 1, 2, 3. So they are both correct. The boy is now saying, my shape has 5 vertices. And the girl says, but it also has 5 sides. So what I want you to do is draw a shape which could fit that description using a ruler, and then you can add it onto the photographs that you send me and Miss Smith and just put Miss French's challenge at the top. Okay, and I will show you one way in which you can do it. So I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, oh dear, 5. So it's got 5 sides and 5 vertices. I wonder if yours looks anything like this. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Using your 2D shape prompt, which was on the website, or you can draw your own, complete the blanks. So I want you to have a go at this. So a triangle has how many vertices and how many sides? And then you need to do it for a square, a rectangle, a pentagon and a hexagon. Try and remember my special little saying for pentagon and see if that helps you. Okay, so have a go at that while you pause the video and then I will reveal the answers. Okay, so well done for having a go, and here are the answers. So a triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. A square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. So does a rectangle. A pentagon has 5 vertices and 5 sides. And remember, I always say you hold a pen with 5 fingers. So a pentagon has 5 sides and vertices, and a hexagon has 6 vertices and 6 sides. Okay, let's have a go at these shapes then. We'll do the first one together and then you're going to pause and do the rest. So you've got 1, oh dear, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this shape has got 6 sides. And then check for the vertices. It has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, don't forget this one, 6. So it's got 6 vertices. Okay, I want you to have a go now at the next 2 shapes. And you can send that to me and Miss Smith in your email too. Okay. Here's another challenge for you. Lolly stick pens. So this girl is making pens for her sheep. She has used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lollipop sticks and made a pen for her sheep. Now she hasn't quite finished number 2 and you've got 4 lollipop sticks left. Can you complete that pen? So you can draw it or you can use practical resources, anything you can find in your house, to make your pen for the lollipop stick, using lollipop sticks, for number 2 and 3. So you'd need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for number 2 and 6 for number 3. And if you use practical resources, me and Miss Smith, I'm Miss French. Me and Miss Smith would love to see what you have come up with for your pens for the sheep. Okay, your challenges today. Bronze, your questions are on the sheet. Okay, so you need to complete the tables, tick the odd ones out. How many sides do the shapes have all together? And then again completing some tables. Silver, you are doing questions 1, 2 and 3. You've got some sentences to complete. You've got to tick the 4-sided shapes and tick the 6-sided shapes. And gold, you are doing questions 4, 5 and 6. You've got to complete the table. Tell me if Amir is correct and how you know. And then you've got a lollipop stick question as well, but you've got to draw your shapes. Okay, you need to make 3. Silver, I would like you to have a go at gold as well, please. And then gold, I'd like you to have a go at some platinum. So platinum, you need to answer the questions based on what the children are saying, complete the tables, and then tell me which shapes are the odd ones out in these 2 questions, but explain your answer. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you email me and Miss Smith later, and I'll be back tomorrow with your next video.